day. This is Mike Olden, 404-379-7352. Shoot me an email at yourfleettruck@gmail.com. I'm going to take you on your next truck. This is a Wayne Curbtender Industries 8-yard packer on the Isuzu 19,500 pound GVW Diesel truck. 6-speed transmission, 2 overdrives. The direct drive is what you'll be doing when you're using it in your industry for the local pickup. This particular body, again, is a rear loader. It has a cart tipper and a bin tipper. The benefit of safety on the driver's side and passenger side is the PTO cutoff switch. On the passenger side, you have the controls. That's why you use the bin tipper and the dumper tipper. Cable is at the top. Again, with your controls sitting right here on the side for controlling the front and the winch system. This system, again, is the most interesting thing you'll need for your fleet because it allows you to be in tight turning quarters, expansion markets. Municipal industries would love it as well for the simple fact of safety, for security in the marketplaces that you work in. The DPF system, when you do the PTO engagement, we do not allow the DES system to engage to do the SCR cleaning until you're done with the PTO operation. Again, this is Mike Olden, 404-379-7352. Shoot me an email at yourfleettruck@gmail.com to set up your wet demonstration and to talk about what you need for your market. Thank you.